Hello, in this session I will show you how Maximo handles linear layers using map symbology. Well, let's first go to our map manager and click linear tab. Here we can see our records. In my case, for the demonstration, I'm using assets as linear objects. Here we can see all the layers that are linked to this asset, like asset specification, features, relationships, service requests, and work orders. These are the default values, but feel free to add new ones or erase the existent. We start showing you how we configure the symbology for each one of them. I will choose 3 here, so it will be easier for you to see. And now we're going to search for asset. Here, service address, SR. Okay, here it is. Now I will expand linear symbology, and as you can see, all our layer objects are right here. I will choose asset specification. You need to find the symbology object so we can change its color. So as you can see, it's configured to appear in the blue color. Let's change it to red. Cool. Let's also search for our feature layer and search for the symbology object. Cool. It's red. I'm gonna change it for blue. Now I'm gonna save it and update our symbology. Let's go to our asset application. I'll start creating a new one. I'll call it road 1 and I'll check it as a linear asset. In order to save it, we must populate these fields regarding linear referencing details, like the direction. I will choose north. I will choose my road in kilometers, and it starts from 0 and goes to 100. Let's save it. And now let's go to the features tab. I will add a new feature here. For example, a guardrail, which will start from 0 kilometers and go until 70. Now I'm going to save it. I will create a new one, but this one, which will also be a guardrail, it will start from 80 and go to 95 and save it. So let's go now to the specifications. I'll add a new row. In order to add a specification, we should add also a classification. I'll classify this asset as a road, and now I can set, for example, a speed limit that starts from the 0 and goes to the 55, and I can save it. I can also add a relationship to another asset. I can say that this road is parallel to another one. I don't think I have other roads, so I have to use other assets here. So let's add a starting measure here. This relationship starts from 0 and goes until 65. Okay, as you can see, I forced all these layers to be overlapped by themselves, so I can show you how Maximo handles that in the map tab. Since we just created this asset, it's not linked to any feature yet. So let's use our edit tool and create this road in the map. I will say that it will start from here. And it will go until here. Let's close it. Well, as you can see, These are our layers, and if we use the identify tool, we can check them individually. So the blue one, as we properly configured, are the features, and the red one, specifications, and green one, the relationships. Also, if you want a more specific visualization of the asset and its layers, you can choose to use our linear visual control. In here, we will be able to see the asset layers as well as their attributes. You can see the features that I created, the relationships and the specifications. It's also good to have their segments placed in the grid representing the kilometers that we chose before. Now you can see how Maximo handles the overlapping between the layers, making them visible by adjusting their offset. Thank you for watching, and for any doubts please contact LBS team.